up, everybody? Thank you for coming to another detailing video. Today we're at the H2O headquarters in Covina, California, and we're gonna see how the homie Fabian right here, 17-year-old, details a car, get to know more of his story, and let's see what else comes up. How you doing today, Fabian?
Good.
All right. How old are you, bro?
17.
Hey, Fabian, today's Wednesday, man. Don't you got school?
Nah, right now I'm doing independent studies, so it lets me work, and then once I don't have work, I'll go home and do homework.
Damn, bro, you hustling,
Yeah.
Fabian. All right, so
It's stressful, but I'm doing it.
let me ask you, what's stressful about it, in your opinion?
Because I have a lot of homework to do, and then I have work.
Yeah.
So I'll put work first, and then I'll do homework, because homework, I have a lot of time on the weekend.
Yeah.
So I'll just finish it up.
Oh, all right. How long have you been detailing?
Like a year.
Hey.
Mobile, I just started like 5 months ago.
Oh.
I've been detailing at my house. When I first started, I started doing it at my house.
Yeah.
So some customers would come to my house and I'll detail their car there.
All right, all right. What got you started to detail at such a young age? Did you see a YouTube video, or did your uncle teach you?
No, my cousin's boyfriend, actually, he was telling me to start working, start doing something.
Yeah.
So since I'm just home doing nothing.
Yeah.
He told me to start working or start detailing. And he bought me my first pressure washer.
What? He bought you your first pressure washer?
Yeah, but I had to pay it off within like whenever I'll make the money back.
Oh, so he bought it, but the agreement was you were gonna pay him back.
Yeah.
Hey, but that's still cool though, man.
Still good.
That's cool. And where did you learn how to detail? From him or?
No, I learned like just going, practicing on cars, and then I found a trainer right here in West Covina.
Yeah.
His name's Elite Squad.
Mm-hmm.
He was giving me tips and advice on how to get better, and then this is how I got here. Him and Elite Squad were really helping me a lot.
Yeah.
So if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be here and charging what I charge.
Now, when you say helped you, what do you mean? Like they just gave you advice, or like you went and worked with them?
Yeah, like sometimes I'll go work with them.
Did they
I'll
pay
ride
you?
around. Yeah, they
Okay.
paid me.
All right, all right. Hey, so there you guys go. If you really want to learn, maybe find a mentor.
Yeah.
Someone to help you out.
Yeah.
Did that really help you out?
Yeah, it really helped me out. I wouldn't have got here if I didn't have someone like them.
There you guys go, just to show you, hey, get a mentor. Get somebody to help you out, and even go work with them. Even if you're not gonna make a lot of money, get that knowledge.
Yeah.
But anyways, Fabian, you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Hey, Fabian, I would like to know, check out this car, the outside, the inside. What do you think of it?
I mean, it's not too bad.
It's not too bad on the outside.
No, it's not too bad from the outside, but I mean, I've seen worse, but
All right, what about the back?
check out the back. Oh, it's a bit dirty, yeah, like a mini detail kind of
Yeah?
in the car, yeah.
How long would this take you?
Like an hour and a half.
Okay, sounds good. 1 to 10, how dirty is it? 1 not being dirty, 10, fuck dirty.
Maybe like a 6, 7.
All right, cool. Hey, Fabian, I have a question for you. So, you're 17.
Yeah.
You're a youngster.
Yep.
Do a lot of customers try to lowball you because of your age?
Yeah, they try to lowball me.
Like,
Sometimes.
Sometimes
they try to lowball me, not as much.
What's one thing they say?
Like, oh, is that your lowest? And
Is
I'm
that
like,
your
uh-huh.
lowest?
yeah, it's expensive out here. Man, it's not cheap.
How do you respond back? Let's say somebody says, oh, bro, you can't do it any cheaper. What would you say? Or would you try to work it out if you can?
I'll try to work it out with them, like give them like a $5, $10 discount. like lower the price a little bit, but not as much.
Yeah,
like say if the detail's like 65, I'll tell them I'll do 60. I don't really like to negotiate my prices, but 60 bucks is still good.
And do you ever get clients that say, "Oh, bro, Johnny down the block does it for way cheaper than you"? Do you get those every now and then? Or
yeah,
not?
I got a customer here in Covina. I was giving him a quote. He wanted a clean wax. I charged him like 180. He was like, "Oh, that's a bit too much." There's this guy that details around here. He charges a bit cheaper. I'm like, "Oh, cool."
Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah, it's good to know.
All right. So you mainly just try sticking to your prices?
Yeah.
How'd you learn that? Like, why? A lot of people, a lot of new detailers, they do lower their prices. How come you don't?
Because the gas is pretty expensive, and then chemicals expensive, and then this wasn't cheap. The setup wasn't cheap.
I got you. All right, Fabian, so it's your first year.
Yeah.
Right? This is your first winter.
Yep.
How's it going, man?
It's cold.
Yeah.
Cold. I don't even want to wake up at 7.
Woo!
I'm crazy. I want to stay in.
But wait, you forced yourself or what? You got details?
I was like, damn, I need to go. I need to get up.
Yeah.
I need to work.
Like this morning, right?
Yeah.
You called me saying, "Hey, bro, it was too cold."
Yeah, it was cold.
Hey, man, you made it. Now, has business slowed down for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it slowed down.
A lot, a little
Not
bit.
a lot, but like it's not as busy as before.
What are you thinking about this? You think it's gonna pick up, or you think you're gonna have to tough it out? You're gonna do more side jobs?
It'll pick up next year. It's just people thinking it's gonna rain. That's all it is this month. It's just rain, rain, rain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, fam, do your thing. Hey, detailers out there, I would like to know, how was your first winter? What did you do? I know you struggled, but what did you do to make extra income, do extra details? Let me know in the comments below. Hey, Fabian, people want to know, man. You're 17. You got your mobile business going.
Yeah.
What's your next goal? What's the next step for Fabian's detailing?
To get another van out.
Yeah? Nah, bro.
Yeah.
But before you get another van, I
gotta find a worker first.
Do you got one?
Nah.
You got anybody in mind? Maybe like a little brother or something?
Nah, my brother, he doesn't want to work really.
How you getting business, bro?
Word of mouth and Instagram right now.
Yeah, you get a lot of stuff on Instagram?
Yeah, I'm starting to promote on Instagram.
What's the first thing people ask you on Instagram?
How much do you charge?
How much do you charge? What do you tell them?
65 and up. Starting prices are 65 for regular cars, and then for trucks and SUV, 85.
And let's say somebody out there who wants a detail by you, Fabian. What areas do you cover, and how can they hit you up?
I cover West Covina, OC, LA, basically everywhere. As long as they're willing to pay a travel fee, I'm there.
Can't forget about the gas, Fabian.
Yep. Yeah.
Yo, we're right here at H2O. You gotta
make another video, cause
early Christmas present.
the last video we made, I had nothing. Now I have all this.
Hey, what is that, Fabian?
My bottle holders, got them powder coated, red hammer.
Nice. Where are they gonna go? One in each door, or? Wait, how many did you get?
Yes, he came.
That was a lot.
He has like 3 on each door.
Yeah, 3 on each door.
That's what's up. And Hector, how long does it take to install those?
5 minutes.
We'll get it done in like 5 minutes right now.
Oh, cool, cool. All right, Fabian. Hey, what you using for tire shine?
The Geon tire shine.
How long have you used it?
I'm trying it out right now. It works pretty good. And then I'm using the auto fiber tire pad. Pretty good. So I'll just...
How come you decided to try this one?
I don't know. I was wanted to try something new. So I'll just spray it and then I'll spread it. And I'll apply on the tire.
Do you like trying new products all the time or only sometimes?
Yeah. Here and there. I'll try something new.
How you liking the new bottle rack, Fabian?
It's sick.
Nice. How come you decided to go with racks? Like you needed the space or you didn't know where to put your bottles?
Yeah, I needed the space to look more professional too.
Because I saw you have a little caddy, right?
Yeah.
A little bag?
Well, I had that because I didn't have these.
Got it. So there you have it. We're done. How did it go, Fabian?
Went pretty good.
Pretty smooth?
Yeah, pretty smooth.
All right. You happy you got your holders?
My bottle holders.
Nice. So, how much would you have charged for this job?
160.
About 160?
Yeah.
But your starting prices start at what?
160, yeah. Mini detail.
Mini detail.
Yeah, it was a bit dirty.
All right, man. So, once again, let's say there's somebody out there who wants to get a detail from you. Where can they go?
They could hit me up on my Instagram.
And what is it?
It's the_Venus_auto_detailing.
All right. I'm gonna make it easy for you guys. I'm gonna put it in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, you want to see more detailing content, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.
Peace.